everyone, hope you all safe with a good health. With you, Ms. Dina Al-Badri, science teacher for grade 9. Today, let us complete our revision sheet. We will start with worksheet 4. Number 1, trajectory. It is the meaning of, so which one? Yeah, path of any projectile. So number 1, it will be B. Number 2, Newton. So the Newton, it will be, yeah, the unit of force and weight. The unit of force and weight. Number 3, projectile. Projectile, yeah, it will be thrown or dropped object. So number 3, projectile, it will be E. Number 4, force vector. Force vector, it will be direction and magnitude of force. Let us see number 5, net force. Yeah, net force, it will be mass by acceleration. Number 2, MCQ question 1. All forces are balanced. It will be, yeah, equilibrium. Number 1. Number 2, a force of attraction between objects that is due to their masses. Yeah, it will be the meaning of forces of gravity, terminal velocity, force vector, or reaction force. Yeah, number 2, it will be force of gravity. Number 3, the force equals mass times acceleration. It is law of universal gravitation, or Newton's first law, or inverse square law, or Newton's second law. So the answer, it will be number 4. Resistance of an object to a change in its motion. So it will be, yeah, forces of inertia. Number 3, true or false. 1. A measure of the amount of matter in an object. Is the meaning of mass true or false? Yeah, so the answer here, it will be true. The trajectory of an object near Earth's surface, it will be parabole. Yeah, it will be true. The scientific law that states every object in the universe attracts every other object, Newton's first law. So number 3, the scientific law that states that every object in the universe attracts every other object, Newton's first law. No, it will be false. Okay. Number 4, for shape of an orbiting trajectory, its velocity. No, it will be false. Force that prevent acceleration, equilibrium force. No, it will be false. So number 4, the tendency of an object to resist a change in motion, it will be, yeah, friction force. With a balanced force, the object will move in the direction that the force is being applied. Yeah, the force which applied on the object must be large. So the answer, it will be number 2. Number 3, Sally had a car that accelerates 5. The car has a mass 1000. How much force does the car produce? We know that from the Newton's second law, force equals mass by A. So the mass here will be 1000 and A 5. So the force, it will be 5000 Newton. Okay, number 4. A 68 kilogram runner exerts a force of 59 Newton. What is the acceleration of the runner? So the acceleration, it will be, yeah, F equal mass by A. So A equal, yeah, F divided M. So when we make divided for 59 divided 68, it will be 0.87 meter per second square. Okay. Here in this problem, a little boy pushed a wagon with his dog in it. The mass of the dog and wagon together is 45 kilograms. The wagon accelerates this acceleration 0.85. What is the force of the boy? So the force, it will be, yeah, M by A. So it will be 45 by 0.85, it will be 38.25 Newton. Okay, to solve this problem, we solved last time 1, 2, 3. No, we didn't solve number 3 here. Sally had a car that accelerates like the car has a mass of 1000, so F equal mass by A, 1000 by 500, 5000 Newton. So number 3 is very easy. Number 4, we solved last time number 4 and number 5. Okay, let's start from number 7. An apple, its weight 1 Newton, fall a distance 1 meter. How much work is done on the apple by the force of gravity? Okay, we have work equal force by distance, 1 by 1 equal 1 joule. Okay, so we have to write the law. After that, we solve the problem. It's very important. Number 8, while rowing across the lake during a race, John does 3,960 joule of the work on the oars in 60 seconds. What is the power output in watts? We know that from the power law, power equal work divided time. Power equal work divided time. So power equal work here 3,960 divided 60, it will be 66 joule divided second, or joule per second. Okay, number 9. Okay, we solve this problem in choose question. Okay, we will solve it again. 68 kilogram runner exert a force of 59. What is the acceleration? So A equal F divided M, 59 divided 68, so it will be 0.87 meter per second square. Okay, the last one, number 10. Crane used an average force of 5,200 Newton to lift a grader to a distance of 25 meters. How much work does the crane do on this grader? W equal work equal force by distance. Force here 5,200 by 25 meters. So the work it will be by this value in joule. Okay, let us solve these graphs. The body will move here with a speed. Okay, this speed we called it a it's constant speed. So the body when distance, or we called it. So in this graph, distance and time, the body move with a speed, with a constant speed. So here, this graph describes acceleration, speed and time, changing the speed over time. The body move with a positive acceleration. So in the third graph, here the body move with a speed equal 0, no change in the distance over time. So the body move with a speed equal 0. Here speed and time. The body move with a negative acceleration because the speed decreased by passing the time. Okay, so the body move with a negative acceleration. That's all. Hope you all understand. Study well.